Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to sign a PDF document, like how to sign a online PDF document, because nowadays everyone is sending e-documents, so they are sending the e-documents and they are requesting to send it back by filling the details and putting completing with the sign and asking to send the document written. Okay, so let's see how to sign the PDF document very easily in a few steps. I would explain you very clearly, so do not skip this video until the end in order to get a clear view. Firstly, let's create a new document. Firstly, I will show you how to create a PDF. Open a fresh document, give some matter, here you need the signature, so you just click on the save as PDF. Save the same in the desktop. You can see now the file has been saved like PDF, and we need to give the signature here for the document. Okay. Now the PDF which we have created has been opened, and now let's give a sign. Let's give a sign for this document here. Okay, for that I have already saved a dummy signature. Okay, this signature, like you can sign in a paper and you can take a photo, like clear photo of the signature, and you can send the signature for yourself in WhatsApp or else in mail, and after that you can download the signature. And if you want to crop or resize the photo, you can use the Paint app, and after doing that you can change this signature into png file, or else you can directly upload the jpg file also. Then here I will show how to place the signature automatically in a PDF. You will have an option called sign here. Okay, you just click on that. You just click on place signature. Here, how would you like to create your signature? Here there will be 4 options, like you can type your own signature. Like if you select this, you should enter your name, like Ashley. See, your signature will automatically, you can see the signature like this, or else you can use webcam. This is a new option, like after using the webcam also you can show in the photo, and you can draw your own signature like this. Here you can click on the clear signature for clearing, or else you can use an image. See, automatically you can place the signature like this, and there is options for increasing and decreasing as well. But you can you can increase only, like if you increase the signature, the 4 sides will be automatically increased. Like it is not like Photoshop to increase the each side of the image, but if you drag one corner, then automatically 4 corners will be dragged. Okay, like 4 corners will be increased, like from the 4 sides the image will be increased automatically, and this is how you can place wherever you need. Okay, if you have uploaded the jpg file also, automatically it will clear the background, and it will just take the image itself. And after placing the sign here, you can click on the signed, proceed to send, and you have multiple options here, like you can send to an email, like you can send this document via fax, and you can send to others email as well for signing them as well, and you can save it as a copy. Like for the instance, I will show you, like a save as a copy. For this, I am clicking on the save, and automatically the document has been saved. Now let's close this document. And here you could see the signature has been automatically done. Okay, and this is how a PDF can be signed very easily, friends. And I hope you guys understand you guys understand very clearly like how to sign a document. You should use this sign option for signing the e-document as well. Okay, and I request to give a like if you think my knowledge is worth, and you could subscribe this channel for more upcoming innovative videos. Okay, and please comment if you have any doubts. Okay, and for my further videos as well, I request you to give support to me. Thank you. Have a great day.